How to add a gradient to the swatches panel in Affinity Photo. First thing to do, where's the swatches panel? So view and studio and swatches. So you got that. Now I want to add a gradient. I want to add a gradient to the swatches panel. Straight away, going to go over here to the gradient tool and just quickly add a gradient. And I'm going to go with linear. Doesn't matter. Could be radial, whatever. But you've got red and you've got black. I'm going to add some additional stops. And you can go along this line. You can see as you go along, this little plus appears. With that plus, what you can do, click there, and then you can change the colour. Now I'm just going to change it to yellow, maybe go with purple, and maybe orange. So I've got that design. But you can see over here, in the tools, you've got the colour orange. I don't want that. I want the actual gradient, because then I can save that to the swatches. Likewise, over here, you've got swatches, you've got orange as well. What you need to do, simply just go to the move tool. And as soon as you do that, you just get the gradient there. That's it. What you can then do is you can go over here to greys, colours and gradients. That's the key one. And you go this little bit aside here and you've got little pluses there. With that, just click there. And then you can see it's been added. So if you move that, click there, and now you can see your gradient is very quickly added to any other path or layer, etc. Hope you found this of interest. Bye.